boxes to unpack. This is a wardrobe for my daughter. So we'll open it and let's see how it's inside. Let's see. The grey color. I thought it's white. So this is the color, grey color wardrobe. It's gonna be a big job. So this one came out from one box. And Zain is making too much noise. So I'm gonna open another box now. So now the second box. The one inside is quite a long one. So this big panel came out from the long one, and more bits and pieces. There's the side and the back, and this is how it's gonna look like when it's finished. I'm scared it's a big job. Don't know where to start. So I made this drawer box so far, and this is the bottom bit gonna go in now. So then this far, there's the stick in the middle. Now the side, put the siding. So now I'm gonna fix this two side panel. Middle one is fixed, and this side here go, and on the top as well. Top gonna go. So I done the frame, and now I'm gonna put this back here, so you can do the video on the same time. It's a hard job. I have to concentrate a lot. That's why I'm showing you bit by bit. This is now. This looks so far done. Now I'm gonna do the drawer. This, and I need to put the door in. That's it. Nothing else left. Nearly done. This is the hardest part. Done. I think now it's gonna be easy one. Not bad. Zain is working hard as well. What are you doing, Papa? You're working. He's got his tools. Yeah, look. Just the door panel. And now we're gonna slide the wall. That's it. And why is the front now? Back is gonna go in there, and then I'm gonna go screw a plastic screw in there. Yeah, that they hammer it. It's easy. The plastic screw, you just hammer it down. That's it. Done. There's the frame. We're gonna go in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna put dryer inside. same. Here we go. Nice, isn't it? Oh, it's working. Soon, that's the knob. Two knob. Working. Oh, one more left. That's it. Done. Now I'm trying to put this door hinges. This door is already done, all of them. 3 of them. Now 2 doors gonna go in there, and the long one's gonna go. So that's the final product. Then it's not very expensive. Just a basic wardrobe. Not bad. It's gonna work. It's a bit dark in here. There's the door. I'll show you guys again. That's it. Basically.